Hi, Sandy here again. Hey, I want to go over something with you about being a full-time professional successful artist. And that is, realistically, it takes many years to get your skill level up to a point where you can actually be a successful full-time artist. And to, to get the time needed to practice is a real trick because you have to have a job or some source of income in order to do that. That's what's good about school is theoretically you don't need to work while you're in school, you just need to study. But once you get out of school and you have to get a job and you still want to be a full-time artist, it's very tricky because you have to work at a job and try and get enough time in in practice. Now visual artists, it's not so obvious, but with musicians, you see them practicing hour after hour after hour, doing your scales and practicing in a band and learning songs. There's a lot of practicing that goes on with a musician. And the same thing is kind of necessary with a visual artist. They need to be developing their skills for years and years. So the question is, how do you get enough money without having to work a full-time job that will give you the free time you need to develop your skills as an artist? Well, I want to provide you with an answer to that question. I wish I'd found this many years ago. But there is a course that you can do. It actually teaches you how to sell things using social media, which, by the way, is a good way to sell your art. But the course provides you with a practice product and a practice website and a practice shopping cart where you can actually sell a well-known, very popular, in-demand product. And by doing that, you can make enough money to create a full-time income in just 2 hours a day. So this is a really good thing to do if you want to be a full-time artist and you need time to practice. Because by the time you get good enough to be a full-time professional successful artist, it's many, many years, and it's hard to do that without a job. So check out the website that explains this new program. It's www.aspiringartist.net. www.aspiringartist.art, and that explains everything and what to do. And I'm doing the course now, and I'm finding it very useful. And if you have any questions, feel free to call me and I can answer your questions. Okay, it's a perfect thing to do if you want to be a full-time artist and you need the time to develop your skills. Okay?